We're currently at Arthur Avenue at a place called Borgatti's Ravioli and Egg Noodles. This is Chris.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Hi, I'm Chris.
They're both Chris. What's crazy about this place is Chris's grandfather opened it 90 years ago, and they've been in operation at this exact location ever since. Today, we're gonna show you exactly how they've been making pasta for the past 90 years and why nothing replaces tradition. What do you wanna make today?
Raviolis, egg noodles, everything.
We actually already did all that, and it was insane. You guys have to watch. Take a look.
See that bag? That's
Yeah.
50 pounds. I'm gonna dump it in there. Eggs and water in there, mix that for 12 minutes, and this is what you get.
This machine's in the store since 1950. Flour, the eggs, and the water went in here to make this mixture. And by using the rollers, of course, this is what crushes the dough mixture together. It's also known as like a kneading process. It's gonna become a sheet of dough. After it mixes up, I'm gonna feel the moisture in it. And that's gonna determine if I need to add more flour or a little more liquid to the batch. And we use this for the sheets of lasagna dough, the sheets for the Borgatti squares, for spaghetti, fettuccine, linguine, mixtures consisting of like a spinach, squidding, like a mushroom. We make whole wheat, tomato, carrot, different types.
Oh, it smells so fresh.
I don't smell it anymore.
Like zero?
We like to use the wider piece for the lasagna and the Borgatti dough, and then this piece for the noodles. When we weigh it up for the customers in the restaurant and they're making lasagnas, I'm just gonna fold it right now, and we would cut it into different width sizes for them, depending on how they like to work with their strips.
While the pasta is getting dusted with cornmeal, I headed out to the back for a special history lesson.
You see this montage, Borgatti's? That circle is the founder of Borgatti's. Lindo Borgatti and Maria Borgatti, which is Chris's grandmother and grandfather. To the left is Chris's father, who took over the store, Mario, the skinny one on the right, and his brother Larry on the left. Now, if you go down, you'll see Mario again, with his hand playfully around my father's face, and his other son, Carl, in the middle. Go down here, you see Chris Jr. If you move up, there's the one and only, Eddie Iazzetti.
There he is.
And then you go back up top, and you see Chris and his father.
Now back inside, after mixing the cheese, the ravioli maker started to place the filling into the machine. But before the ravioli got filled, I had to try it.
That's so interesting that it's salty. That's sick. How long have you been working here for?
I've been working here for over 50 years. I've been making ravioli. I used to come here. Chris's father would give me a piece of paper to go shopping for his mother in the supermarket, and he would give me a pay. And then after that, I started to pack flour here. I learned how to do everything, and then I did everything and never left.
There are no more raviolis for him to make. There's a bottleneck at one point, or one of the guys stops making ravioli. This guy's not working.
While waiting for the ravioli in the shop, you can see they sell a ton of pasta varieties in all shapes and sizes, as well as many local Italian products from around the area. And better yet, when you order the spaghetti, it's freshly cut in front of you and packed fresh for you to cook in your home kitchen.
What other pasta companies probably make in a day, we probably make in a year.
Here's a character coming in. His name is Joe, but I say the dog with the man. The dog's name is Dee Dee.
This dog goes crazy when I'm eating ravioli. She jumps up and down till I give her one.
How long have you been coming here?
I'm 74, probably about 73.
Your family's been a customer of this place since it's open, pretty much.
Oh, more than since the 40s. Look, when you find something good, why try out something else? When you enjoy something. I don't get people that do that.
I've never actually tried it before.
What the hell are you doing here for Christ? How can you push a product you never ate? Feed the kid for Christ's sake.
And Joe inspired us to cook up some ravioli, and holy hell, I can't emphasize how good this is. Watch me react live, it's unbelievable.
Plain ravioli, fresh. I mean, this was made, what, less than an hour ago?
Yeah, this morning.
I think for me, I never get fresh pasta on the outside, so that adds completely different complexity to the flavor to what I'm used to in like restaurant raviolis and kind of what I typically would eat. I think the saltiness of the cheese goes really good with the pasta dough, if that makes sense. Like you don't need to add salt to it.
Like when you buy like sometimes big brand ravioli, store-bought ravioli, they may not be putting as much care into the dough as they are the filling. This is Mario's marinade sauce.
Cheers.
Cheers. I once had an uncle say you can't put cheese on cheese, and I said, I don't live my life like that.
That is wrong. I say the same thing with olive oil. You can put butter and olive oil together. Like they do marry really well.
Yeah.
Avocado and olive oil, like layering fats, I think it's a great way to use them. Sauce is so tomatoey. It tastes super fresh. What's in it?
It's made around the corner.
Butter and cheese.
Who doesn't like butter and cheese?
I'm excited for this one.
They're slippery.
I loaded this one up with Parmesan. I don't know if I should be doing this.
Oh yeah.
That's a fine breakfast, my friend.
I know.
It's a little early for lunch, but it's never too early for ravioli.